Hello everyone, my name is Chin. Today is the 2nd of October 2024. I would say today is or was difficult because it's semi-ranging and semi-breaking off from the Asia range, so it's really testing your own rules and skills really. How do I delete this? Right, there we go. So what I'm trying to see is the Asia high and the low being taken. Just bear with me. So that's been taken, and no intention to buy or no intention to short. There's just no sign for it really. Let me mark out the infamous Asia range box. There's nowhere near the top of it at all. So let me bring it back down here. When it goes, like I explained before, it likes to hug around the Asia high and then sometimes later hug around the Asia low. So it happens quite a few times and then suddenly break off. But the time for it to do it is quite late today. And this is really testing the theory behind my trade. So before all this happened, I had one trade which was a short run about an hour after New York Open. So I was thinking if it is ranging, it could be around, let me bring the pen brush. It could be lingering around the Asia high and low. And when it did it, I can just play around short or long, depends. But it is constantly having a break-off structure in this 3 minutes time frame. So done it once, done it twice, and it's heading towards the downside, heading towards the middle of this box. So the reason why I went for this short is you can see if I bring this trend line down, it just keep accelerating, or it just follow the trend line. There's no hesitation, there's no stopping or anything. So I went with the flow really, take a few pips to follow the momentum, and my strategy is based on to follow up the momentum really. I'm not trying to catch the reversal, because as I explained in my previous videos, to catch the reversal is the hardest one to do it. So I only took a short, and that was it. And half four, and I lost interest because although it might continue to go up, but as the volume went quiet, it won't do anything. So this is pretty much my thought for today. And one more thing, right? Chin, can you explain why we didn't go for short in here? First, when it closed there, all these candles are just like a very slow moving vehicles. It's not like a Ferrari trying to go through a speed bump. Like I can catch the momentum and then go for a few pips and then going back up or continue down. They're all like pedestrian pacing. So that's not enough confirmation for me to go further down compared to the rest of the candles. It's just average. Even so, it's getting quieter and quieter, and it's getting to very late of the day. So there's no chance for me to get in. Plus, already got a win. No intention. Sometimes leave the trade. No trade is better than a bad trade. So that's that. Let's do a random bar. Replay random bar. So 2006, November the 3rd. Let's bring the price up. Takes a little bit of time to load. Oh, it's a massive sell there, which means the next day could continue to sell or consolidation. I don't know. Let's see. Like I said before, I need to pause it now. Please stop. There we go. Yeah, earlier on, candles are a little bit choppy. I don't know why. 2006. So that was, you do the maths, 18 years ago, I believe. Oh, rubbish candles. Right, never mind. Let's continue. Don't think they have recorded everything, really. It's going to be tricky. Oh, looks rubbish, the candle. Want to see the high, the low. Right, let me see if the high is going to be taken or just continue to go down. Before that, wow, that's massive sell-off. Looks like it's going to continue to go down, or if not, it'll be hugging around the Asia low for the time being. Time to take out the magic box again. Still very early, tons of volume flush down the price. Almost a break of structure, but I won't have any intention to long it. It's got a lower low here. So my thought process right now, if it is keep ranging here, then we can play around the range possibly after New York. Won't sell, won't buy. 2 o'clock, half 2 UK time, the volume is going to come in and do something. It could take the high, but no intention to trade. Will I short it here? If it is starting to go up, there's no indication for it to go down. It's just pure guessing here. Will it go up, go down? I think the chance is pretty much the same. I could make a trade here. Depends on how much it goes up or how much it drops, really. It's very bullish. 6 o'clock, I tend not to trade. So likely I'm not going to trade for this day. But if you do want to trade that, I'm guessing going up, the chance is quite high. But no volume and hitting the high, hard to say, really hard. It can go either way. Yeah, no intention. Next day. I think in real life situation that it will be no trade as well. So unfortunately, I'll have to trade another day. Gonna pause it. It's gonna keep going. Oh, it stopped. Got a lot of gaps left behind, so it's gonna possibly a short could be hugging around Asia high and quickly come down to test the Asia mid. The chance for the price to touch Asia mid is around about 80% for the first time. So best scenario, if it hovers around there, then you can short it back to the mid. It is very unlikely for the price to just shoot up and never come back like today. It's very rare. I think we're gonna touch the mid very soon. A lot of liquidity down here, this line. I'm not surprised if it's gonna go back down there. Has no volume whatsoever. That is very strange these 2 days. Bring the magic box out. 3 o'clock. I think it's a very high chance I'm gonna short it. Change of character, break off structure, final push up, and then we can go for a sell. Sell here. Go for a few pips. So it's roughly there. Yeah, that will do. Stop loss. Not too concerned about that for now. Not much volume. That's the problem here. Just after 5 o'clock, there's nothing. Are we being stopped out yet? Almost. Hey, we got it. Just. Right, it's lagging very bad, so I'll see you in the next video.